Okay, now I know you're gonna want to see this. So here we have the new Hello Summer sticker book from Live.Love.Posh, and I cannot wait to dive into it. I mean, just look at the cover. I can't even tell you how much I love Jessica's stickers. That's the owner's name, Jessica, and she's a sweetheart in real life too. So I just want to thank Jessica for sending me this sticker book. If you haven't picked it up yet, it is still available as of the time of this filming, which is Tuesday. So you're probably watching it Tuesday. You can use code Bumble10 for 10% off at liveloveposh.com. And I will put my affiliate link down below as well for this sticker book. Anyway, let's check it out. Look at this. Already I'm in love with it on the first page. Look at these little girls sitting on their chairs. Look at this little bag and a little drink, umbrellas, flowers, and a pool. Yes, there's girls at the pool here. Look at that blue drink. That's cool. I like that. So with Jessica's sticker books, you get two of the same page. So we have 2 pages. And I love that so much because then I don't have to stress. You know what I mean? I don't have to stress about, should I use it? It's my favorite. Now I get 2 pages of each. So we are cool. Love the colors in that. Wait, are these the same? No, they are different. But this is great. You can make spreads in the big happy planner and still have some left over. We have a little Vogue magazine there, sunscreen, love it so much. Okay, so that's that theme. Now we have some tropical hexagons and flowers, and you guys know I love that, right? You know I love the tropical vibe. At least I think you know. We have a toucan there. He's hanging out in the flowers. I really like using hexagons in my planner. It's so much fun. You should try it if you have not. Tropical vibes. That's what I just said. Yeah. Anyway, love these colors. It looks great on this yellow background, doesn't it? I put this down here for this sticker book. All right. I thought that would be more fun. So we were at the pool. Then we went to like Hawaii or something. And now we're on the beach hanging out. Paradise, right? This little drink. Oh my goodness, look at this. I love the details in these stickers. They are so pretty. And this girl is really chilling. I think she's in Hawaii. And that is where I want to go, Maui. If anybody's been to Maui, please let me know how it is because man, oh man, I really want to go. That is my dream vacation. Okay, so we have more tropical flowers, more beachy stuff here. There's even a coconut drink. Love it so much. And then we move into a sea theme, and it's pastel. And look, a mermaid tail. You guys know I really like mermaids and seahorses. I mean, who wouldn't? Squirts of water and an oyster. This is really pretty. Perfect for your summer spreads. Look at that water. So this is a sticker, and it goes across the bottom of your planner. That is so cute. Couple pages of that, and then we move into more pinks and greens. We have a flamingo here. Pinks and greens and blues. You know I like the bright colors. Look at this pineapple with the sunglasses on. Some nail polish, a little watermelon popsicle. That's so cute. And then we have some clothes here. Look at these florals, are so pretty. And they're gonna match these florals and the beach bag with the glitter hat. So, so cute. The watermelons here. There's just such cute little details. Look at that little bracelet, really pretty. Okay, sink or swim. Hello, darling. Summer's calling. Oh, pool boy. Oh, pool boy. With that old-fashioned phone. Tropical summer, little sandals. This is really, really cute. I'm going to say cute 1,000 times, and you really can't blame me for that. I'm sorry, but it just is going to come out of my mouth, so you have to forgive me for that. So these are cute. Look at this. I love like the outlines on these flowers and the coconuts. Coconut. The colors are really pretty. Let's see what the next page looks like. Okay, so we have a flamingo thing going on. Jessica, do you like flamingos? I mean, I do, but flamingo floaties are the way to go in the summer, I suppose. I kind of like these stickers because they look ripped, even though they're not. You know how I ripped stickers this week? If you didn't watch that plan with me, you can go see that. But I ripped some stickers in the pink spread, but these look ripped. That's pretty cool. Ice cream. More flamingos, Jessica, just saying. These ones are light pink instead of the hot pink ones. This says the next trip, sun, beach, relax, summer vibes. Look at that fan. That fan even has a flamingo on it. And so does the drink. There's flamingos everywhere. They're everywhere. Okay, they're not on this page though. Hello, summer, vacay vibes. You had me at Aloha. You can find me under the palms. I'd rather be a mermaid, just saying. Every summer has its story. Beach weekend, happy summer, be a pineapple, all that kind of stuff. Really bright, really pretty, and really colorful. Live.Love.Posh, you had me at Aloha, okay? I love the sticker book. You can go get yours, code BUMBLE10 for 10% off. I will link it for you. And that's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.